You can install Distribution Engine in your sandbox or production environments. This video explains how to install the application. It's important to install initially for admins only. To get started, navigate to the Distribution Engine App Exchange listing and click Get It Now. You may be prompted at this point to log in to the App Exchange. Go ahead and do so and then click Install into the environment you would like Distribution Engine in. From here, we can update our App Exchange profile or continue the install process by clicking I have read and agree to the terms and conditions, confirm, and install. Next, we will be prompted to log into the target Salesforce environment. Make sure you're logging into the correct Salesforce environment, which may be different from the App Exchange login you used. Again, it's very important that we leave the default Install for Admins Only selection. You will be able to grant other users access to the app using permission sets later. We have additional videos and knowledge base articles that cover that information. For now, make sure you leave the default selection. Otherwise, administrative permissions for Distribution Engine will be applied to all profiles, and this cannot be reversed. Let's click Install. You'll see this message noting the install has started. You may also see messaging that says this app is taking a long time to install. If you receive that, you'll click Done and wait for an email confirmation from Salesforce support. Once Distribution Engine is installed, you will be able to find it in the Salesforce App Launcher. Make sure to check out our videos and knowledge base articles on adding additional users to Distribution Engine.